I guess I'm gonna win your little challenge since you're bitching out already. You can't even do 4 plates? Jesus Christ, Jay. What happened? Did you blow your load before we got here? Those 2 idiots are still on their way. What's the matter?
I don't want to do a podcast at 8 o'clock at night.
Well, what can you do? What's the matter? You living with mommy? You got a fucking bedtime?
I got a curfew.
You fucking home. It's not like you got a job to get up for tomorrow. You guys are the biggest fucking pussies. 8 o'clock. What is it if you get home at 10 or when?
I used to always try and give you a drink on work nights.
Does that count, Bully?
Those are good reps right there. Real good reps. Oh, he gave up. But sometimes you win when nobody else shows up.
That's right. When you bitch out. Aren't you glad somebody else took the title of Dancing Queen now?
When I first saw the post, too, I ordered 66 Dancing Queen. I found a shit day at work.
Oh my gosh.
Now I gotta do these assholes. So yeah, I'm glad. Thanks, whatever your name is.
What's his name?
Kyle, 84.
Lenny's new BFF.
Kyle, I personally invite you to our podcast.
Jay already tried that. He denied him. He screenshotted what Jay sent him and said no thanks.
And he screenshotted and posted it.
He doesn't want the trolls.
Want to be a household name. He doesn't want to be put on the map. Okay, fine. Look what it did for Dale Chance. Who'd be some nobody sitting up in North Carolina doing what?
He doesn't want people calling his job and harassing his managers like the rest of us.
McDonald's isn't
You
that
got to be
strict.
crazy, Kyle.
McDonald's isn't that strict, Kyle. I've been there before. Didn't work there like you, but I hope you're in management.
All right, I was able to get 4 plates for 3.5, Leonard. What do you got tonight?
I really don't care.
Still going 2?
Well, Jay just made this shit up before we got here that we were going to have
Is
it.
all I need. Hopefully I didn't lock up. That's all I'm asking for.
All right, good.
If I lock up, I'm fucked.
Push it down for
It
him.
doesn't, not at all.
Lift it off for
It
him.
works on. No, it's not that. It's putting it
Look at how you're sitting in that fucking thing, Leonard.
small.
Jesus Christ.
Looks huge. I had no idea. 179?
All right, you win. You win.
That was flawless technique.
No, with your hand fist in it?
Yup, he's ready for a fisting, Bob.
Yeah, and I'm going to stand
Put your fist in it.
up. What's up?
Better get me an ice bucket.
Made it worse?
Holy shit.
Ice bag immediately.
You guys are turning into geriatrics in front of our eyes. Good God. Sucks getting old, doesn't it?
I don't get old, it's just a certain injury. Come on, Rob.
Well, let's go.
Look at that, 10 reps. Come on.
Holy shit, strong. Fucking A. This is shit.
Nice. 2 more, 1 more. Get it. Come on, get it.
Suck it up. Up. Finish it. Finish it. There's Lenny to fuck up the video.
I shouldn't have even done that. I fucked myself up.
How?
Squatting with my fucking tension.
That was sweet. Was that the 10th rep you failed?
No.
11?
I see the Prince has been bulking up, maniacs.
You think that kid benching looks like the Prince?
What, did you take into one of your tattoo parlors, Brad? You can lead in the show. Prince, your shoulder's getting better. That's one thing.
Here, this guy's...
There's no freedom of speech with Zuckerberg.
This guy wants... This is the one that sends me all the leather
Wow,
gear.
nice.
Leather gear?
Yeah, what the fuck is that? There's no leather.
Nice.
Freudian slip.
Turn it around.
This is very appropriate, too.
Turn it around.
Very appropriate for the occasion.
Nice. That is fucking...
I
Thank you
fucking
very much.
dare. You're gonna wear that too.
That's a Freudian slip for you-know-who at the top. Mr. Podcast Counselor.
Mr. Jog Road.
Oh,
Yeah.
you fucking guys. Well,
I love it.
hey, if you would have got there earlier, we would have been able
That
to
is
do
an
one.
incredible
Hey,
shirt.
will you quit making fucking
It's not an
excuses
excuse. It's
for
the
this
truth.
fucking
If we could have
thing?
got there earlier, we would have done it. You
We
fucking
got way
idiot.